Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, my name is Susul Hatimah with name 4042. I am from Science Education. In here I will explain law in static fluid and dynamic fluid. Static fluid and dynamic fluid have a different law. Static fluid there is hydrostatic pressure, Pascal law, and Archimedes law. And then in dynamic fluid there is continuous law and Bernoulli law. First, I will explain law in static fluid. Hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure refers to the pressure that any fluid in closed space. If fluid is in a container, there will be some pressure on the wall of this container. If we picture a square shape, the container, we can see that the pressure passing against its wall is greater at the bottom than the pressure at the top. This is partly related to the acceleration of gravity. The direction from the acceleration of gravity is toward the center of the earth. The magnitude of the hydrostatic pressure is faced by fluid elevation, the mass of liquid, and acceleration of gravity. For example, we can see in this picture, in here there is two fish located at the different depth. First fish in 20 cm from the land surface, and the second fish in 80 cm from the land surface. The hydrostatic pressure of the first fish is greater than the hydrostatic pressure of the second fish, because the second fish being shallower than first fish. And next, there is a Pascal law. The sound of Pascal law is the pressure placed on liquid in closed space will then process in any direction. We can see in this picture, this is a two-top piston. There is area 1 and area 2. In this condition, the both area have a different size area. The first area is larger than the second area, but according to Pascal law, the pressure in first area and the pressure in second area is the same. And the end law in static fluid is Archimedes law. Archimedes' principle deals with the forces applied to an object by fluid surrounding it. This applied force reduce the net weight of the object submerged in a fluid. The sound of Archimedes' law is the upward buoyant force that is exerted on a body immersed in a fluid, whether partially or fully submerged, is equal to the weight of the fluid that the body displaces and acts in the upward direction at the center of mass of the displaced fluid. In this picture, the weight due to gravity is opposed by the thrust provided by the fluid. The object inside the liquid only feels to the total force acting on it as the weight, because the actual gravitational force is decreased by the liquid's upthrust. The object feels as though its weight is reduced. The apparent weight is thus given by apparent weight equals weight of object in the air minus thrust force buoyancy. Archimedes' principle tells us that the weight loss is equal to the weight of liquid the object displaces. And the second law in dynamic fluid. 1. Continuous law. The principle of continuity is the principle that regulates the rate of principle, a fluid that is steady and incompressible as a discharge that is always constant at every point along the pipa. The means the fluid flow rate will be inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area of the pipa. The greater the cross-sectional area of the pipa through which the fluid passes, the smaller a fluid speed. Conversely, the smaller the cross-sectional area of the pipa, the greater the speed of the water. And next, Bernoulli law. Bernoulli principle formulated by Daniel Bernoulli states that as the speed of a moving fluid increasing liquid or gas, the pressure within the fluid decrease. The sum of Bernoulli's law is the total mechanical energy of the moving fluid compressing the gravitational potential energy of elevation, the energy associated with the fluid pressure, and the kinetic energy of the fluid is motion. Energy of the fluid motion remains constant. Bernoulli equation derivation consider a pipa with varying diameter and height through which incompressible fluid is flowing. The relationship between the areas of cross section A, the flow speed V, height from the ground H, and pressure P at two different points 1 and 2 are given in the figure below. That's enough from me. Apologize if there's been any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.